Welcome everyone. Question on gaseous state. The most probably velocity of oxygen gas at 300 Kelvin is. Choices are A. 256.32 meter per second, B. 394.82 meter per second, C. 426.79 meter per second, D. 512.14 meter per second. Answer is B. 394.82 meter per second. Explanation we will see in the next slide. We know that the most probably velocity Cm is equal to root 2 RT by m, where R is the gas constant, T is the temperature and m is the molar mass. R is equal to 8.314 joule K inverse mole inverse. T is equal to 300 Kelvin. Molar mass of the oxygen m is equal to 32 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg per mole. Therefore, Cm is equal to root 2 into 8.314 into 300 by 32 into 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to 394.82 meter per second. Thank you for watching this video.